I run a query in a search engine, the page that shows up, that is a SERP. So here's an example of a SERP for the word avocados. I have queried the word avocados in Google, and it delivers me this page. Now, there's a lot of really interesting things going on in modern SERPs. So, for example, we see some organic links, right? So the organic links would be the top result on the page, as well as that Wikipedia article. We see a people also ask box, okay, which has some little drop downs and some additional questions, some top stories from the news. And then we see a knowledge panel on the right-hand side of the screen. So there's a lot of really interesting things going on in modern SERPs. And we have to ask ourselves, is there anything we can learn just by looking at the page about what type of query this is? Okay, let's alter our query just slightly and see what happens. So here I'm looking at avocados with an S, but what if I remove the S and just look at the word avocado? Well, now that Wikipedia article moves to the top. The 12 proven health benefits article moves down from there. Okay, so basically we've had the second result become the first result, and the first result become the second result. We see the people also ask questions have changed, the top stories and some of the images, and then over on the right-hand side, definitely some changes. So let me flip back and forth between these two. Look at those images on the right-hand side. Slight changes. Look at the top stories. Slight changes. So minor changes in the search queries can have a not insignificant change to the way the results are displayed. Let's do another change. So here I've looked at avocado calories. So I've added additional component to this query, and wow, that search engine result page, or SERP, has changed fairly dramatically. So here we see a little calculator by the looks of it that says it's from the USDA. We see the people also ask box has different queries in it. The organic results are pushed down to the bottom of the page over there. And then everything that shows up in the knowledge panel on the right-hand side, we're missing some images and a lot more nutrition facts. So very interesting. How about let's make another change? Avocado toast. Okay, so avocado toast, when I use the same word avocado, add the word toast to it, now the entire page changes. All we see are recipes. There's a lot of images that show up, some star ratings in the results there. And then we see some images on the right-hand side that are purely looking at avocado toast, as well as a little excerpt from the Wikipedia article. So when we look at SERPs, search engine result pages, what we want to be paying attention to is what shows up, what changes with minor changes in those different search queries, and if we can, try to derive this, which is search intent. Search intent is the way or the intent that the person has when they're running the query. What is it that they want to learn or see or do by completing that query? And so we want to assess search intent. And you can see amongst all those different examples we use with minor variations, the search intent changed